In this video, we are going to cover the IRP5 foundation, but you have to go and watch this video that will show you an exam type of questions that we're going to answer based on the IRP5. Hello everyone, on this video, I'm going to explain to you an IRP5. What is it used for, and then where do you get it? Why do we learn about it?
Why should I?
Well, I have an exam.
On your question paper, you might get a question where they give you an IRP5 and then you have to calculate using it.
Explain to me, what is an IRP5?
Number one, IRP5 is a tax certificate that an employer gives to an employee. And then this certificate details or writes your income, your deductions, and all your taxes that you have paid for that year.
What is the use for an IRP5?
Right, an IRP5 is a document that provides information about the deductions, allowances that the employer has done on behalf of the employee. And then it gives the employee that document so that the employee can do their tax returns. So they write everything about your current status. How much did you earn? Which allowance did you get? How much tax did you pay? The IRP5 is divided into 5 parts. The first part, it gives details about the employer, who hired you, and all of that. The second part, it gives details about the employee, your details, your ID number, your work number, all of those details about you as an employee. And then the third part, allowance and deductions, it tells us about the deductions that have and the allowance that you got as an employee. The fourth part are tax credits. If you qualify for any, the IRP5 will show which tax credit did you get. And then the fifth part, details of payment made by the employer. Which payments did he made to you? How much were you paid?
Give me an example.
And I've actually given you an example of an IRP5. It's really a serious example. When you look at the figures, even the figures are not real. It's just an example to show you how an IRP5 looks like. When you look at the top there, it says employee's tax certificate. And then the first part that we talked about, employer's information. So it will give the name of the company and all of that. And then employee's information. Then it will be the person's name, their ID number, their date of birth, the employee's number, all of the details that the person has. And then the next information is the tax calculation information. When you look at this one, it gives us the period. When was it calculated from? To where. This is not the whole tax. It didn't fit in one slide. So the next page is the continuation of this one. The income source, where did you get the income from? The gross remuneration, all the amounts that you got paid for that year, the deductions. You see in this one, there are no deductions. Normally you have deductions. And then the employee's tax deduction, the deductions for tax. So as an employee, you'll use this tax certificate or IRP5 to write your tax return to SARS. This is how it's used in real life.
But I'm gonna do my taxes.
That's why I love maths literacy. It teaches you things that you are really gonna use in your everyday life. So you will one day get a very good job because you are hardworking. You're gonna go study and get a very good job, and then you will have your IRP5 will help you to fill your tax returns. Now that we are done with the IRP5, you understand the IRP5 and how it works. Now you need to watch this video that will help you to be able to answer questions on an exam that are based on the IRP5. Thank you for watching. This is the end of our video. Please like and subscribe to our channel.